Hi, good morning YouTube. It's me, Sharina. I'm so sorry it's been a while since I last made a video. I've been in the middle of moving and working 3 jobs and all that good stuff. As you can see, I got my hair done over, and this time I have a leave-out. And I also reused the hair that I had, and I bought 1 bundle of hair also, which was 24 inches. So I have 22, 20, and 18 inches in my hair. Right now I have it rolled, pin curled up for my curls. I think I'm gonna get ready to take it out. And I'm making this video so early in the morning because, of course, I'm at work. And happy 4th of July, everyone. I want to take the curls down and see how they actually look. And I also ombre it. But I did it like kind of a reddish color. I don't know if you can really see it that good. It doesn't look really red. It looks more like orange. I don't know. This is another way that I do my curls. Like I'll go through it with my bumpers first and then take it and wrap it like this. Kind of hurt when you're trying to do it in a whole different direction, but this is how I'm gonna take and wrap. I believe I made another video on how I keep my curls very brief. This is how I put my curl. Whoa. Hold on, man. I use a really, really big, long, jumbo hairpins. Pin it up like so. Voila. I'm gonna take a back one out. Okay. Let's see. Okay. This is the curl, and then it bounces right back. So as I stated before, this is 22 inches. Well, when I get a new installment, I'm gonna get 24 inches. I want it longer. This is how the curl comes out. You can see my color a little bit. It's really nice. And I still have like warms, highs, and lowlights of the copper and other color. Well, that's about it. Later on in the day, once I'm fully awake and dressed for the day, I will be making a video of how my hair turns out. Until next time, YouTube, have a good day, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.